Introducing M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max. They're the first chips for a personal computer built using the industry-leading 3nm technology, hardware-accelerated mesh shading. Mesh shading brings greater capability and efficiency to geometry processing, enabling more visually complex scenes. Finally, the new GPU architecture brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing to the Mac for the first time. Ray tracing models the physical properties of light as it interacts with a scene, enabling games to render more accurate shadows and reflections to create more realistic environments. And Pro 3D rendering apps can produce stunning ray-traced visuals faster than ever. With 3nm technology, a next-generation GPU architecture, a higher performance CPU, faster neural engine, and support for even more unified memory, they're the most advanced chips ever built for a personal computer.
Introducing the new MacBook Pro.
Let's begin with the 14-inch MacBook Pro. It now starts with the M3 chip, making it the ideal laptop for users pursuing their passions. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, creator, or combination of all three, you'll find everyday tasks lightning fast. And when you're using pro apps or playing games, the advanced thermal system allows you to sustain the phenomenal performance of M3, such as making intricate 3D models in SketchUp faster than before, or viewing and interacting with large medical images in surgical AR with stunning detail on the XDR display. And hardware-accelerated ray tracing enables gameplay with incredibly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in games like Myst. And 16-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Pro, which provides even greater performance and additional unified memory for users with more demanding workflows, like coders, creative pros, and researchers. So stitching together and manipulating enormous panoramic photos in Photoshop is much quicker. Working on large and complex data models in MATLAB is more fluid, and compiling and testing millions of lines of code in Xcode is even faster. And MacBook Pro with M3 Pro can do all of this while also driving 2 external high-resolution displays. Now, let's turn to MacBook Pro with M3 Max. For users with extreme workflows, like AI developers, 3D artists, and video professionals, it's an absolute beast. You can model and iterate remarkably complex 3D content in Cinema 4D with Redshift. And you can do it faster than ever, even while away from the studio. And video post-production work on the highest resolution content in apps like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro is an absolute breeze, thanks to 2 ProRes engines. MacBook Pro with M3 Max also supports up to an enormous 128 gigabytes of unified memory. This enables creators to easily work on large and complex projects spanning multiple pro apps and plugins, like Substance 3D Painter, Maya, and Arnold. Or compose huge film scores with Pro Tools, where entire orchestral libraries are instantly available from memory. MacBook Pro with M3 Max can drive 4 high-resolution external displays. The new MacBook Pro provides up to an extraordinary 22 hours of battery life. To top it off, SDR content is displayed at up to 600 nits, which is 20% brighter than before. And users connecting to the Studio display, which also supports up to 600 nits, have consistent brightness across their workflows. Introducing MacBook Pro in Space Black. It's a gorgeous, dark aluminum finish with the power of the M3 family of chips, up to 22 hours of battery life, a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display, and advanced connectivity.
Now starts at just $15.99. And the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the monumental performance of M3 Pro and M3 Max still starts at $24.99. You can order the new MacBook Pro today, and models with M3 and M3 Pro will be available next week. Models with M3 Max will be available later in November. We're updating the 24-inch iMac for the first time by giving it the M3 chip. 24-inch, 4.5K Retina display. You also get great features like a 1080p FaceTime camera, a a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio and studio quality mics, which create an unmatched video conferencing experience. In addition, you'll also get the advanced technologies of Apple Silicon, like the Neural Engine and Media Engine, for incredible machine learning and video performance, and the option to choose a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for secure login and payments. You could do things like send a message or answer a phone call right from your Mac, or scan a document with your iPhone and watch it instantly appear. Altogether, the iMac experience is simply unrivaled. So that's the new iMac, with the remarkable performance of M3, featuring an expansive 4.5K Retina display, faster wireless connectivity, a striking design, and a seamless experience with iPhone. iMac still starts at just $12.99. You can order it today, and it'll be available next week.